Good morning, girls. Today we will review the solar system. Solar system is made up of a star, which is the sun, and the planets that surround it or revolve around it. Earth and other planets and moon and other large objects, all of them revolve around the sun. All of this is called solar system. The planets that we know we have in order from the closest to the sun to the furthest: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Planet is a large round body that revolves around a star, which is the sun. We have 8 planets, and all of them revolve around the sun in an oval-shaped track or pathway called orbit. Okay. All the planets rotate around its axis. It is an imaginary line that goes through the center of the planet. Earth rotates on its axis once every 24 hours and revolves around the sun in 365 days, which makes the summer and the winter. When the Earth revolves around itself, this happens in 24 hours. The moon revolving around the Earth, this takes around 27 or 29 days, which is the moon rotation around the Earth takes around 1 month. Okay, so the moon rotation around the Earth takes around 1 month or 29 days. The Earth rotating around its axis, 24 hours. The Earth revolving around the sun, 1 year or 365 days. We will divide the planets into 2 groups, inner and outer. The inner planets closest to the sun, which are the closest to the sun, the Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, and the outer, which are the furthest from the sun, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. The inner planets, how do they look like? They are very dense and rocky. They have thin atmosphere and small diameters. They have large solid cores, few moons, and short revolution time around the sun because they are close, so they will not take time to revolve around the sun. So short revolution time. They have few moons, as the Earth has one moon. They are large and they are rocky from inside and very dense. Okay. Mercury, we will talk about each one of them alone. Mercury is the smallest. The size is less than half the size of the Earth, and it is the closest. So it is the smallest and the closest. What about Venus? Venus is the hottest because it has a thick atmosphere of carbon dioxide around it, and it has thick clouds, so it is the hottest. Then we have Earth. It is, as we said, like the other inner planets,